So now I'm going to show you how to change the point of view in a two-point perspective drawing using a low point of view and a high point of view. And you do that by changing where you draw the horizon line. So let's say if you wanted to draw your buildings like you're above them, looking down on the roofs, you want a high point of view, like you're up high on a mountain looking down. So my horizon line is going to be up here. Make sure you can still see some sky, but this is now all ground. My vanishing points are going to go out on either end. Left vanishing point, right vanishing point. So now, instead of drawing my building right up here, I want to draw it way down here because I want to be looking down at it. So I'm still going to start with a vertical line, like we do all of our buildings. And then I'm still going to draw those 4 orthogonal lines going in each direction, pointing directly towards the left vanishing point and the right vanishing point. And now the next step on our basic buildings is to draw the sides to figure out where our building ends. And we're going to do that here too. So again, you can decide where you want this to end, if you want it to be sort of a narrow building or a wide building. And make sure you draw a vertical line. No slanted lines. That would not look right. And we've got some erasing to do. We're just going to erase the extra orthogonals because they're going to get confusing in just a second. So we're going to get rid of them now. All right, so you have this weird shape that kind of looks like an open book, but we're going to turn it into a building. And what's missing on this building is the roof. Now, if we're looking down at the top of this building, we should be able to see the top of this roof. So to draw that in two-point perspective from this corner right here, you're going to draw an orthogonal going to the right. So I'm starting on this top left corner, but I'm going to my right vanishing point. And now over here, I'm going to start on this top right corner, and guess what? I'm going to go to my left vanishing point. So these two orthogonals will cross each other. And where they cross, that's that far corner of your building. So you have just drawn a building that you're looking at from above. You can see the right side, the left side, and the top of this flat roof. Now, this is with a high point of view. You're up above buildings looking down on them. If you wanted to draw buildings that were completely above your eye level, like tree houses floating up in the air, if we pretend that I drew my horizon line way down here, and I did the same thing, now my house is above my eye level. I could add a tree coming out from there. I could add more branches coming out and a tree around it. And that would be my building above my eye level.